lady. I want you in my life, and I want you to be my wife. And I'm you're my baby, you too fine, dude. And I'm a mama. And you too fine, you got to be my boo.
Okay. Oh yeah, stop. You should stop. You should stop.
Oh, now think I make me high. Oh, yeah, dance for me, baby. Oh, yeah, give it to me, baby. Oh, hey.
You don't ever sing again, ever in your lifetime.
You know, you don't like my key.
No, I don't like your bunch of keys. Isibit, please come this way. Dance for me, baby, away. Dance for me, baby, away.
Why are you happy? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Nedu,
oh my God!
Nedu, wait.
You are. What are you doing? Hey, sorry.
Right from the moment when I set my eye on you, oh my dear Isibit, you make my heart go chum. Till now, you see the chum. Therefore, I ask you in front of the whole of Nigeria, say, will you marry me?
Oh. You mean Mumu?
No, but you don't say I should sing that song. Dance for me, baby. Oh, I can't think and say, how it could be if to say woman now they propose gift man? It goes sweet now.
You go good though.
Then the man go they do like, oh.
Oh no, stop it! You're making me try. Okay, I don't like public proposal. I like here too hot. Isibit on AC.
No, you could say, let me
think about it. Give me 2 weeks to think about it.
You're making me shy. Camera, look me. Oh, yeah.
Anyway, good evening and welcome on the night show. Thank God say Katim do this thing because what if we want talk not be another thing.
Now so they had to propose.
I don't remember what we talk yesterday. In fact, what we talk this before we talk yesterday be this one. Now, imagine just imagine say woman now they propose to man.
It goes sweet now.
Say, you know, as normal na man na go kneel down say, baby, will you marry? And you get one thing where they vex me for women own.
Why?
Why it be say boy and girl go to do boyfriend and girlfriend for like 2, 3, 4 years? When the man come kneel down say, baby, will you marry me? The girl go say, oh no.
Because now
wait, you go see the man.
I don't make an answer you.
Wait, ma show you. You go see the guy go down kneel down. You go to ask him, what are you doing? No, your shoe dirty. I want clean up. What are you doing? Get up. Then the guy will come propose, say, baby, will you marry me? You go to go, oh no, oh my God.
You don't expect that now.
No, but you
don't expect
you don't do boyfriend and girlfriend with person for how many years? You not going to expect say the guy go kneel down one day, tell you say go marry you.
No, but you never know. If it be say no be only you in kid. But that it come be say, oh, you choose me out of the many princesses. Oh. If it be say no be only you in kid. And if it be say the woman no be only you, she kid. So the hostel is real, my brother.
The hostel.
The hostel.
Anyway,
real.
Anyone, welcome to the night show for today. Will be March 4, 2015. My name is Nanedu _ Katim. When I don't say she don't propose to Isibit.
It feels so good. Yeah.
Isibit begin the blush. So therefore, now that thing we're going to discuss today, make you call us. Imagine now, say now, woman, now they propose to man. Now woman, now they carry 2 bags of yam, go give man for a family. Now woman, they go give list. Say, okay, take, go and bring this list for this man. Now woman, now go carry her family members, then go, wait, they go carry waka, go meet the papa of the house. The woman go come, maybe the girl papa go come to say, we saw an Iroko tree.
No,
in your comfort.
We saw a muscle man.
No, one man.
Is if not get, it's not flower.
Flower.
Okay.
If not get, then go say flower.
The opposite of the man version of flower also.
No.
We saw some grass.
No.
Or some weed.
It has to be Igbo. It has to be manly.
Okay.
It has to be, for inside the example, you know, say women who go say, we saw a flower in your compound. Or the village one go say, we saw agbaluma in your compound.
Yeah. Okay, so we saw elephant.
Elephant in your, if the person fat, where like Pasha's boss said, then you go say, we saw an elephant
in your compound.
In your compound. Or if not like easy bit now, we go say, we saw a cassava.
Yeah. No. Easy bit no be cassava. The relationships that are upside, they go first for you now. Easy bit no be cassava.
No, but person like me, they'll just come. Papa Chinedu. Actually, we saw a moving star. A moving star in your compound. And we say we want to pluck it. Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Make you begin the callers, make you know what you think about this matter. You go like them, and wow, give us reason why you go like them. If now women, they propose to man, because for inside India, now so it they happen for India. Now man, now they propose that give woman. Sorry, now woman. Now they propose give woman. Now woman, now they pay bride price.
Now woman, they do everything.
Person like Easy Bit, now how much it is in bride price go be? A bride price don't go cost.
You don't need to go for
No, with Easy, the bride price could be the highest bidder according to
no,
who submit the highest.
No, the relationships not be like the relationships be like person we the relationships have sat
no, Afsat could pay money.
Afsat Genevieve. Then that girl we call yesterday, Cynthia.
Yeah.
That one.
I thought they get to you remember?
But you know, say, you know why I thought say Afsat no go give free pay. Afsat no they call.
No, her own na yours Twitter.
Na tweet, it not get credit.
No, Afsat yours one today anonymous.
No, but make me ask you, if Easy Bit now.
Why are you busy now?
It's excuse me. Excuse me.
If they say them pay bride price now, how much it is say Easy Bit bride price go be?
Easy bit, Easy, come and stand here.
Easy, constant.
Come and parole. Let us
add in Jericho. Add the money for the Jericho.
Easy be like who like himself plus all.
So person like Easy Bit now, he go check the. You not get much. I didn't even us we get 6-pack. You na amusement pack you get 1 pack. Like how much it is say it go be?
37,795 naira only.
That's too cheap.
No,
that is cheap. That is cheap.
It's yours as the spirit.
No, when you are talking about us, oh God,
movie star,
a shining star that they saw in your compound. Anyway, make we buy some chicken breast for you.
So
come back.
you come be the shining star.
Now what for you? When we come back, we go back. We will continue to be back. Make it begin call us. Make we know what you think about the matter. Today, we just want to play for the show today. Oh yeah, give it to me, baby. Oh, oh.